Friday. Welcome to my messy hair day. Just kidding. Alright, so we have a lot of news to digest today. Number one, I want to talk about Brexit because I've been watching the pound and I want to see how it's going to be affected by this news. In my opinion, I think the latest news could be very bearish for the pound because if there's no real deal with Brexit, that means that the pound is going to weaken. Now, what happened is Boris Johnson said that there might be a no-deal Brexit because they've been having a lot of issues negotiating with the European Union, aka EU, about the fishery situation. The EU doesn't want to give up the fisheries and the rights to fish in the seas and yada 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 because people like to eat fish and they love them with chips. That's a fact. So this is an issue because just like what's happening with us in the whole bipartisan issue of not being able to come up with a stimulus agreement, no one's really willing to budge. You've got people just saying, this is what I want, this is what you want. I am not moving. So that long term and short term could be bad news bears for the pound and Brexit in general. They're not going to get what they want. Number two, Boeing, one of my favorite stocks to trade in 2018, just got reapproval by the European Aviation Commission for the 737 MAX. That's huge news. Boeing has been looking for a catalyst to kind of boost it back for a while, and of course the MAX recertification was something they were definitely pushing for. Now that they have that, I think that we can see a lot of bullish momentum, and I'm definitely going to be watching for that. Number three, Hertz. So earlier this year, Hertz filed for bankruptcy because of the whole coronavirus situation. And the funny thing about that was that it actually got a huge run up because all the new Robinhood traders were buying it. They're like, oh well, it's about to go bankrupt, and it dropped from let's see here, Thinkorswim. It dropped from like $20 down to 12, and it just kept going and going and going, and it was just a long way down. But then they decided to run it up on that whole bankruptcy announcement. That was when it went from like $1 to $5, almost $6. So yeah, we're seeing something similar now. I just wanted to show you that on the daily. Also, if we look at what it did on this news of their 1.7 billion financing announcement, they secured that much in financing. It's literally run from $1.12 ish to $2.38, and going back to the daily, if we look at what it did before, it has a lot of room to be upside. So I'm watching those carefully. The pound and Boeing to see if the bullish momentum holds. Oh, let me show you Boeing right now. And of course Hertz because it's kind of hyped. And this is a very news hype type play. Boeing on the daily, can't see much here, but after that news, it's just been on a steady uptrend. It went from 164, which is what it closed at yesterday, all the way to a high of 174.50. And now it's testing VWAP. So let's see. It has, why is my thing not opening? The volume is okay, but I think long term, this could be a good move for Boeing. 100%. So anyway, keep your eyes on the market. Have a fabulous day of trading, and please like and subscribe if you're not already. Feel free to drop any questions or comments down below. Ciao!